Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add loyalty program on Wix. So what you're going to do here is you just have to go to wix.com, and then if you have your own site where you want to add your loyalty program, just select that site right here, select and edit. If you don't have a site yet, then what you're going to do is click create new site. And then here, you can try Wix Studio if you want, or you can create on Wix Editor. If you don't have a site yet, then you can try this create on Wix Editor. It's easier than this one. This one is for beginner. But since I have my website already, so I can go back and then select the site where I want to put or add my loyalty program. So let's just say I wanted to add it right here. So I'm going to tap the select and edit, tap this one. And this is the dashboard of your site. So basically, if you add or set up something here like the payment, the sales, catalog, applications, and so on, it's totally different or separated from your other sites. So if you add something here for your getting paid for your payment method or connect and setup, it will not affect other sites right here. So if you want to add a loyalty program to your site here on Wix, what you're going to do is you just have to simply scroll down here and then look for customers and leads. So under customers and leads, you will see options such as contacts, forms and submissions, community, loyalty program, business email, abandoned carts, and so on. So since our tutorial is all about loyalty program, we have to tap this one right here, a loyalty program, and it will take you directly to a loyalty program page. As you can see here, reward your customers with a loyalty program. Let customers earn and redeem points for rewards. Customize loyalty pages on your site. So if you want to tap learn how it works, if you want to know more about this, then you can tap this one. If you want to start now, then tap this one right here. So let me tap this. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So if you want to upgrade to launch your loyalty program, you need to tap this upgrade right here to offer a loyalty program to your customers. So actually, I cannot proceed with this one if I don't upgrade my plan. But since this one is like a step-by-step tutorial before I publish or add this, then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this one here below is program information. This information will be shown to customers in their account. You can change this at any time. So let's just say loyalty. You can add the name here, for example, Andrea's loyalty. Andrea's. Everything is up to you. Points name. You can change this one if you want. Custom name if you want. But I just stay with the points name. After that, you can add a logo right here. You can remove this one if you think this one is unnecessary, or if you want to change the icon, you can tap this one right here, and then you can upload media. If you have your own logo, or if you don't know how to create one, I strongly suggest to try Canva or upload media right here. So let's just try this one for the sake of our tutorial, or this one right here, or you can just search a specific icon or logo right here. Add to page, wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So what you're going to do next is tap continue to set up. Okay, so here it is. This is the program details. This is where you're going to add or set up your loyalty program card. Okay, so for example, for program name, you can edit this one if you want. So add loyalty pages to your site. Users can check their points balance and get reward. You can tap this go to editor. Okay, and then you can set up everything here. So for the meantime, let's go back and install loyalty widget to let customers redeem points right at checkout. You can upgrade the plan because I cannot really easily add something here because I am not yet upgraded, or my Wix is not yet upgraded. And then here, this is where you're going to set up and add ways to earn. So for example, ways to earn, you're going to toggle on for every purchase a product. For example, every 1 peso spent, they will get 1 point. Actually, you can edit this one. For every purchase, you can tap save, they will get 1 point. Sign up to the site, they will get 50 points. You can change that. If they sign up to the site, then you can give them at least 100 points, or everything is up to you. Let's just say 100 points and then tap save. Okay, now for settings points expiration, I need to upgrade this one. This when they fail to, like purchase or sign up within the period of time. Rewards, manage your rewards customers can claim when they redeem points right here. So you can create your own reward, set up reward, create with AI, build with functions, everything is up to you. Flexible reward, if they get 10 points, then probably one discount for every purchase, or if they get at least 5 points right here, they will have at least 5 peso, or actually $5, or depends on you. Tap save. You can edit it anytime. And then for email automations, if you want to welcome customers to your loyalty program, you can toggle this one on. That means you inform your customers about the loyalty program and its benefits. You can also toggle this one if you want to inform customers they have enough points for reward. Okay. And then, okay, and if you want to remind inactive customers to use their points, you can toggle this one. Okay, so once everything is done here, then all you have to do is to proceed. But basically, I cannot do it because I need to upgrade my plan. But this is how you add loyalty program on Wix. All you have to do is go to customers needs, go to loyalty program, and edit your details right here. Add ways to earn like the points. Everything is up to you. You can change it anytime. You can also toggle this one off if you don't want this to include to your loyalty program list. Okay, and then for rewards, you can also create your own rewards for email automations. Everything is up to you. If you think that customer will get annoyed with this, you can toggle this one off. So that's how easy it is to add a loyalty program to your site. And you can use Wix because, as you can see, it's very easy to use. All you have to do is to edit, toggle on, and then of course upgrade your program in order for you to unlock this feature. And of course, everything will be worth it. So just upgrade your plan in order for you to continue with this feature or program and share this to your customer. So I do really hope that this video somehow helped you. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.